Particularly violent thunderstorms hit central Switzerland on Monday evening. The Bernese Oberland and the cantons of Uri and Aargau were particularly affected. Heavy rains falling in Tarragona have caused flooding on several city streets. Joanna Ivars, chief meteorologist at laSexta, has reported in El Objective that very heavy rain occurred in areas under an orange alert.
No se parecía muy bien, pero bro, es todo eso, el puto río, puta capital. Es todo esto, que literalmente son los caminos donde me ha pasado como perro, o sea, a ver, que no está...
Flooding is caused by strong storms coming from the sea. The risk of flooding is quite big, he said on the Ana Pastor program. Ivars also issued a warning. It's a red storm. Very intense.
Mira, mira dónde llega el agua. Mira, mira, mira.
Al meu puto carrer. Al meu puto carrer, bro. Que heavy.
We are afraid at home. Edgardo, a resident of Tarragona, talked about this in El Objective. In his words, he confirmed that the rainfall had increased rapidly in the last few hours. We are afraid in the country. The rainfall is getting heavier. We have received warnings from the Generalitat to go up to the heights. But we can't, he said on the Ana Show Pastor.